Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So today's video is not really going to be something that I planned out. It's more of just a conversation I'm having with the camera, and I hope you guys enjoy it. But I'm going to be talking about how much I made on my first paycheck from YouTube. But before I get into that, I kind of want to tell you guys my story of one, how I got started with YouTube, but also how and why I began filming videos. So, probably 2 years ago, I honestly never watched YouTube. I would only come to YouTube whenever I needed to learn how to fix something on my car or fix something around the house. So I would, log on, get on how to change, whatever. I don't know. I can't think of it right now. But if I needed to fix something around the house, usually I would just log on to YouTube, watch a video, and that was it. Well, one day I was watching how to fix something, and then on the side of the video where it shows your suggested videos, I saw this like cool looking dude with a kick-ass thumbnail. And if you guys are watching this and if you've been watching YouTube for a while, you probably know who I'm talking about, and that's Casey Neistat. And for some reason, I felt like I needed to click on it, so I did. I clicked on his video, and Casey Neistat was the first video that I could say I officially watched on YouTube, and I was hooked. His video quality was amazing. His vlogs were incredible. His lifestyle is something that I dream of. And I started, he was the first channel I actually subscribed to. And I started binge watching his channel. I would watch every video when he uploaded. And then probably a few weeks later, he had a video come out with Gary Vaynerchuk, Gary V. And it was an interview that Casey had on his channel, but it was for Gary V's podcast or something like that. And I'm like, holy shit, who is this guy? Like, who is this New Yorker, New Jersey guy, a pumped up attitude and talking about motivation and building a business. And then I got hooked on Gary V. So Gary V was the second guy I started watching on YouTube, but he, I think, was my true motivation to kind of become a creator. Because I'll be honest with you guys, I'm an engineer. I'm very analytical. I'm very step-by-step procedure. I'm not a super creative person. And when I saw Gary V's videos and he kind of was talking about finding your passion, learning how to monetize your passion, and really focus on what you enjoy doing, not just what you consider to be your day job to make you income. And that kind of really stuck with me. And I started binge watching Gary V's videos. And honestly, I watched one of his motivational speeches or whatever, and he was talking about, just do what you want to do what you enjoy, talk about what you want to, talk about. And I was at work one day, and I was having a rough day, honestly a shit day at work, and I had Gary V playing on the headphones. And that day, I kind of said to myself, I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm going to go home after work. I had a camera. It's the camera I'm using to film this video. My wife and I bought it to take pictures whenever we had our son. And I propped it up on my dog's dog food container and then my son's little toy box as a tripod. And I started filming my first video, which I'll bring it up right now. It's the how my wife and I paid off $60,000 of student loans in just 9 months. That was my first YouTube video. I didn't prep it. I didn't plan it. I literally filmed. I hit the record button on the camera, and that was it. I started talking, just kind of like I am to you guys right now. I don't have really anything prepped for this video, but that's kind of my story and my background of how I got started. I just watched YouTube to fix things. Then I found Casey Neistat. Casey Neistat led me to Gary V. Gary V got me motivated and found, I guess I could say, he really helped me find my true passion, which has always been finance. I really got into that, which if you guys are subscribers, you already know that story. But so I started a financial YouTube channel. And I will say this, for the first 4, 5, 6 months, it was fun, but I saw zero growth in my channel. I was putting out videos. I was pumped about the content I was creating, but nothing was gaining traction. Nothing was picking up views, but I'm just like, what the hell am I doing? Why am I taking so much time out of my day? Because I was working a 40, 50, well, it was really a 50-hour-a-week job. I'd come home, I'd film. That's time away from my son. That's time away from spending time with my wife. But I had this goal in mind, and I really just knew that if I stuck with it, I would meet my goals, and I knew that I could finally make my passion really become a way for me to really make money off of something that I am truly passionate about. So like I said, I came home one day, I started filming a video, and honestly, I almost gave up around the 4-month mark. You know, I didn't see any growth in the channel, I wasn't getting any subscribers, the views were very limited, and I said, you know, I just need to stop doing this. This is a waste of time. This is stupid. You know, no one really knew I was kind of making a YouTube channel yet, but something inside of me told me, you know, no, man, like that's another thing I want to talk about is I was comparing myself to other YouTubers. There was a couple guys that started around the same time I started my channel, and both of their channels completely blew up. You know, I was at probably 200 or 300 subscribers, and they're at 4,000 or 5,000 subscribers, and they started at the exact same time that I did. And I was like, well, why are they, you know, getting subscribers and I'm not? Or is my quality bad? Is my personality shitty? You know, and am I just some dude that no one wants to watch? And just all these mind games were playing with me. And finally I was like, you know what, JJ, you need to stop comparing yourself to others. And once I did that, and once I said, you know, screw it, I'm not comparing myself to them. I am my own man. You know, I'll learn on my own time, and you know, maybe one of these days something will happen for me. And honestly, guys, right about that time, whenever I stopped comparing myself to others, is whenever my channel started growing a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more. So finally, I hit that 1,000 subscriber mark in January 11th, I believe it was. So if I started my channel in April, that means that it took me around 9 to 10 months to obtain 1,000 subscribers. So, and I was putting up 1 to 2 videos every single week for 9 months. Now that is a lot of work, and it took a lot of time. And honestly, I'm still shocked that I'm still making these videos for the amount of work that I put in at the beginning for absolutely nothing. But the reason I'm making this video, and I'm kind of been going on and on in the beginning, but I wanted to create this video as a motivation for you guys, for maybe someone out there who is watching this video and is on the edge of creating a YouTube channel. Honestly, guys, I can tell you, I had no idea how to film, I had no idea how to edit, I had no idea how to create a thumbnail. I still don't really know how to create a thumbnail. I'm not the most creative individual, let's just get that straight. The thumbnails are the hardest thing for me, but really this video is to, one, give you guys motivation to, if YouTube is something you guys really want to do, I honestly think anyone with a camera can start a YouTube channel. If you have your iPhone, start filming on your iPhone. You don't have to, you know, buy these fancy cameras and the fancy lighting systems. I honestly just bought my ring light and these neon lights in my camera, or my computer, maybe, I don't know, a month ago. It's whenever we moved into this new house. But this video is not to be braggadocious or to, you know, to brag on how much money I'm making now, which is still not too much, but it's way more than I ever expected for my first YouTube paycheck. So with that being said, let's kind of jump into what I'm making now. So first, to even get monetized on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and you have to have at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the previous 12 months. So like I said, it took me about 9 months to get to the 1,000 subscriber mark. And then right after that happened, a couple of my videos kind of exploded and I got to the 4,000 hour watch time a month later. So let's say 10 months. So I officially became monetized, or I hit that 4,000 hour view mark at the second week of February, which today's date is March 1st. And I hit the monetization achievement, or, you know, I got the 4,000 hours of viewing time on the second week of February, let's say. So it took YouTube about 2 weeks to approve my channel for monetization to where I could start putting ads on my videos. And I will say this, I got approved officially on like the end of day on the 21st of February of 2019. And today, when I'm filming this video, it is March 1st of 2019. So for my first paycheck on YouTube, from the, let's just say the 22nd to the 28th, I made $253.21, which honestly blows my mind. I'll be honest with you guys. I thought it was going to be amazing to make $100 a month, from just YouTube ads. The fact that I made over $250 in a matter of 7 days absolutely blows my mind. It is, I still am having a hard time, processing it, but if I keep on track with my views and how my channel's doing for the month of March, that means for the month of March, I should be making generally, or I guess roughly around $1,000 or more for the month of March. So honestly, I can't express one to my subscribers now, to those of you that have been watching my videos, liking my videos, leaving comments down in the comment section. All of that engagement helps out my channel. So one, I have to give a huge thank you to my subscribers, because I would not be able to be doing what I'm doing now and making my $250 in 1 week, which still just blows my mind, if it was not for you guys watching the videos. So I really do appreciate that. I honestly cannot thank you guys enough for the support. And to those of you that are watching because you're maybe curious about how much I made from my first week of YouTube, I will say this: if you are thinking or you're on the edge of making a YouTube channel, just do it. Start it out, give yourself like a year or two time frame and say, I'll do YouTube for 2 years, and then, if it doesn't do anything, then I'll stop. Or I'll do YouTube for 4 years, and if it doesn't do anything, then I'll stop. But if you're on the edge, I would say take your iPhone if you're watching me right now on your iPhone, or take your camera if you own a nice camera, prop it up, film your first video on whatever you're passionate about, whether that's beauty, whether that's, a vlog channel, or like myself, I'm a financial channel, investing and, becoming financially independent, or any type of channel out there on YouTube. Go film something. Just go do it. Film your video. Learn how to edit. It's a process. Don't worry if you mess stuff up on your first few videos. It's gonna happen. But I'm so shocked right now, because I literally found out today how much I made. I wanted to make this video for you guys. The fact that I'm making over $250 in just 1 week of YouTube is incredible. So in the month of March, like I said, if everything works out, that should be over $1,000. And for those of my subscribers, or if you're interested in subscribing, I do a passive income update every quarter. I'm thinking about updating that every single month now that I'm making ad revenue from YouTube, and I have a couple other additional incomes that I'm making from selling certain items and affiliate links and stuff like that. So I may start doing a monthly update to just show you guys. If you are interested in that, let me know down in the comment section down below. So again, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because like I said, it helps out the channel. It helps me grow, and I really just appreciate every single one of you who have taken your time to watch the video up to this point, for sure. But I hope that you guys take this as motivation. I'm not trying to brag. I'm not trying to say, oh, look at me, I made, this amount of money on YouTube, because it's taking a lot of hard work. It's taken Friday and Saturday nights of me, texting my buddies saying, hey guys, sorry I can't come out for those beers. Staying home, filming videos. I've missed out time, hanging out with my wife and son downstairs while they were just kind of hanging out and playing. I've been up here editing or filming a video or whatever it may be. But I have talked enough on this video. But again, guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope you guys got some type of motivation out of this. If you, again, like I said, for probably the 4th or 5th time on this video, if you are interested in starting a YouTube channel, start now. Because I kept hearing all these things about, oh, it's too late, YouTube's overcrowded, you'll never get noticed. Screw that. Don't listen to anyone. You are your own person. You make your own decisions. Don't listen to anybody's advice. Take your own advice when it comes to, moving forward with an ambition. Don't let someone hold you back. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. I really do appreciate you watching. If you guys are new to the channel, I talk about personal finance, investing, documenting mine and my wife's journey to becoming financially independent. So if that interests you, feel free to hit that subscribe button. But again, guys, thanks for watching, and until the next video, you guys take care.